Hello students, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? So we are solving short answer type questions from Polynomials chapter 2 class 10th. So this is the question we have. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus p into x plus 1 minus c, such that alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is equal to 0, then c is equal to how much? So this is the question based on sum of the roots and product of the roots. If you look at down in the note, the relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x, ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of the roots will be b by a minus b by a, and the product of the roots will be c by a. Already this is the concept you already learn in your courses, so we are using directly here. Sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a. So first of all, the first step I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So when I am comparing this expression to this expression, so I will get the values. A value is 1 and b value is here. To get b value we have to simplify this expression. To get b value you have to simplify this expression. So I'm writing x square same as it is. So if I multiply p into x minus px, so minus p into 1, so minus p minus c. So this is the expression after simplification. So what is the b value? B value is nothing but coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is how much? Minus p. So I am writing it as minus p here. C is nothing but constant term. So whatever the constant term we have, so all this we can write it as a constant term. So that is minus p and minus c. So I got a value, b value, c value. Next we will move to the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So what is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a formula. Minus b by a. So that is nothing but minus b by a. So this by this with minus. So minus of minus p by a. A value is 1. So clearly it is nothing but p. So sum of alpha plus beta value is how much? P. Now I will move to the product of the roots. So product of the roots is equal to c by a. What is c value? What is a value? So this by this we have to do it. This by this one. So minus p minus c by 1. So clearly it is, if you divide with 1, it is same thing. What we will get it as numerator minus p minus c. So I got the value alpha beta as well as alpha plus beta. Now very important thing is that we are solving now. So this is the expression. This expression is equal to 0 he has given. Expression alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you multiply, you will get it as alpha beta. If you multiply with 1 into alpha, that is alpha. So 1 into beta, that is beta. Next 1 into 1, that is 1, is equal to 0. So he has given this as a product is equal to 0. After simplification, what I got it as alpha beta plus beta plus 1. Here you can clearly substitute the values. I know alpha beta value. Alpha beta value already know this one. So minus p minus c I can write it directly. Alpha plus beta value already I know from this. Alpha plus beta value is how much? It is p. So this value I am writing it as p plus 1 is equal to 0. So positive p, negative p will be get cancels. So if this c, if I take to that side, So 1 is equal to positive c. C is equal to 1. So minus c becomes positive 1. Minus c becomes positive c. So c value is nothing but 1. So that's all from a simple question. That's all. I hope it is clearly understood.